right, the fourth item in passive building is thermal bridge-free detailing. And so if we took a infrared camera and pointed at a existing building envelope, where we see blue color, it's telling us that heat is not escaping through the surface. And where the colors get into your yellows and oranges, it's showing us that heat is easily escaping from those. So the photos you're seeing here are showing what we expect. We expect to see heat flowing out of the weak link in the building assembly, which is our windows, and we are seeing if the walls are well insulated, that it's keeping the heat in. So again, having this tool really helps us to have Superman's X-ray vision into how heat is coming and going through the assembly. So let's get a clear understanding of what a thermal bridge is. And a thermal bridge is where heat flows through the structure of the home. So you're looking at a plan section through a house. You're seeing views of the studs and the insulation in between the studs and how the heat can easily escape, especially in the corners. Now, if we add another layer of continuous insulation over those studs to the outside, we will see that the home performs much better. And that weak corner and these wood studs that are going to let heat flow right through them now get stopped in their path for a much higher performance. So we want to be conscious wherever floor plates meet the wall, wherever the roof meets the wall, and wherever the floor meets the wall, because these are crucial intersections that have to be detailed properly to avoid heat loss. So if we were going to do a balcony, for example, in a building like this where the floor plate just extends to the exterior to provide balconies for all these apartment units. Obviously in the winter, those balconies floors are going to freeze up, and that cold is going to transfer inside to the heated apartment units. So if we were to do balconies in a passive house, we would make the balcony freestanding, supported from the ground, and just attached in as few places as structurally feasible to the main envelope to limit, again, that thermal bridge activity.